Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to securely manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a common task: sending Chainlink link from your Phantom wallet to your Trezor wallet. This step-by-step guide will make it simple and safe, so you can protect your investments without any hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need the Phantom app installed on your device and your Trezor hardware wallet connected and unlocked. Also, ensure you have some Chainlink tokens in your Phantom wallet. If you're new, double-check that your Trezor is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility. Security is key in the crypto world. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet on your phone or browser. Navigate to the Assets tab and select Chainlink. You'll see your link balance. Tap on it to initiate a transfer. Step 2. In the Send section, you'll need the receiving address from your Trezor. Plug in your Trezor device, open the Trezor Suite app, and go to the Wallet Address section. Copy the Chainlink compatible address. Remember, always verify it twice to avoid sending to the wrong place. Step 3. Paste that address into the To field in Phantom. Enter the amount of link you want to send, and don't forget to check the network fees. Phantom usually defaults to the right network for Chainlink, but confirm it's on Ethereum or whatever's current in 2025. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Hit Send, and confirm the transaction on both your Phantom app and Trezor device. You'll get a prompt on Trezor to approve it. Always use hardware wallets for extra security. Once the transaction is confirmed, which might take a few minutes depending on network congestion, check your Trezor wallet to see your link has arrived. Congrats! You've just moved your assets securely. A quick tip: always use official apps and keep your private keys safe. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.